Hey guys, this is Subhashri and welcome back to Glam Shades, a show where I review makeup products just for you. और आज जो प्रोडक्ट हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं that is Parachute Advanced Coconut Hair Oil. The brand claims that this advanced oil is enriched with vitamin E, जो कि एक protective layer form करता है आपके बालों के लिए. Not just this, it keeps your hair moisturized, conditioned and nourished for the entire time. And not just this, ladies and gentlemen, it can also penetrate up to 90% of your hair strand, जिसकी वजह से आपके बाल काफी जल्दी बड़ जाते हैं. Parachute has been one of the most trusted hair care brands, especially when it comes to coconut oil. मुझे लगता है ऐसा कोई भी ना हो जो Parachute का नाम ना सुना हो. So guys, talking about the packaging, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, it is the classic iconic brand प्लास्टिक बॉटल. और ये प्लास्टिक का है तो अगर सपोज मान लीजिए कहीं गिर गया गलती से देन ऑल्सो ब्रेकेज इसके कोई चांस नहीं है. सो इट्स वेरी सेफ टू यूज, आई वुड से. द ब्रांड नेम एंड द प्रोडक्ट नेम इज मेंशन्ड ऑन द फ्रंटल साइड एंड बैक साइड में आपको अदर डिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाएगी. इट हैज अ फ्लिप ऑन लिड. जैसे आप इसे फ्लिप ओपन करेंगे देन देयर इज अ नोजल जहां से प्रोडक्ट आप आराम से डिस्पेंस कर सकते हैं. और ये 300 ml का बॉटल है, लेकिन अगर आप ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं then you can actually take away the smaller size bottle as well. It helps in rejuvenating your dull and frizzy hair. Now let me show you how to get the best benefit out of coconut oil. First way is to heat it up. थोड़ा सा ऑयल लें और एक पैन में उसे गर्म करें. Make sure that it becomes warm and not hot. Once it is lukewarm, take your fingertips or use a cotton pad and then उसे थोड़ा सा dip करें into the oil and apply it on your hair accordingly. Well, this will help in penetrating the oil into your hair follicles and getting the best benefit out of the oil. Second is don't go overboard. Make sure कि आप जब oiling कर रहे हैं then आप ज़्यादा oiling ना करें. यानी कि if you apply a large amount of oil into your hair then that can create a lot of problem, क्योंकि तब आपका hair बहुत ज़्यादा greasy हो जाता है and it attracts a lot of dust and dirt particles, जिसकी वजह से you can face a lot of problem. Not just this, while you're shampooing you will have to apply a lot of extra shampoo, जिसकी वजह से आपका hair काफी ज़्यादा frizzy भी हो जाता है. Third way is to be gentle. Make sure कि जब आप अपने बालों का ऑयलिंग कर रहे हैं then you don't really do any rough movements, क्योंकि तब आपके बालों में काफी ज्यादा breakages हो जाते हैं. Use your fingertips and do gentle movements, वो भी circular for like 10 to 15 minutes. Well, that's all. That will create and increase the blood circulation in your hair follicles and also increase the hair growth. Fourth step is leave it overnight. Now जब भी आप ऑयलिंग कर रहे हैं make sure कि आप जब अपना बाल धोने वाले हैं when you're washing your hair उसके एक दिन पहले आप रात में ऑयलिंग करें. Make sure your hair is detangled and combed before applying the hair oil. Take a little quantity of hair oil and gently massage it into your hair and scalp. Comb your hair after applying the oil to help spread the oil more evenly along your hair. Leave on for at least an hour or preferably overnight before washing it off. Well guys, the Parachute Advanced Coconut Hair Oil is definitely advanced in terms of performance and effectivity. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये use करके, especially because this is formulated for the modern women and men out there. काफी अच्छा feel होता है when you apply it because it has a mild, pleasant fragrance and it has a light formula. तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा heavy भी feel नहीं होता. And खास बात ये है कि जैसे ही आप इसे use करेंगे उसके बाद you will feel that your hair has become more shinier and bouncy. So guys, if you're looking for an affordable way to pamper your hair, then this one by Parachute is definitely a try on. Try this on and let me know and stay tuned for more videos.